welcome. Let us unbox our Temu. Oh, who else loves unboxing? I love it so much. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing about 51 items from Temu. Are you ready? I'm ready. 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 Yeah. No waste of time. Yeah. People are waiting. So many people want to see what is inside. Okay. Let's start. Should I open it? Yes, open it. Okay. From where? From here? Yeah. Okay. You are going to see why I am so excited. Something in here is making me full. Okay. I'm going to cut it carefully. 51 items in there. Okay. Yeah. Finally. So we're going to start with this. Temu delivered to me here in my home. This is what is in here? Let me see. I'm so excited. I want to be sure I got what I order. What I order versus what I got. It's a mug. This mug for my coffee. You can see. See. This is my profession, okay? I am a midwife and I just got this. Yes, thank you, Temu. I got what I want. I'll keep it here. The next one is this. What is in here? This is for my Ramadan. Ramadan is on the way. This is just for Ramadan decoration. When I put it on when Ramadan comes, I'm going to show it. Some of the items, I'm going to be putting them in the slot. So here, this one here, I don't know, it looks so big before I ordered it, but now it looks so small. Anyway, the measurement was there before I picked it. Measurement was there. So it's like this. There are 4 in numbers. I don't know why they put hole inside. Why hole? Temu. Okay. Anyway, it's just for my children to use it for their stuff. Okay. Here I got more of my Ramadan item. Oh, this one is what is this one? So many items. We may not be able to go around all. Okay, I'll just show the most interesting one. Multifunctional cleaning cream. This one is for cleaning shoes, especially white shoes. Because this 2025, no one should wear dirty shoe. Nobody should. No one. I want everybody's shoes shiny 2025. Shoe shiner. Aboki shamansu. Okay, here is my daughter's denim pants. It's so cute. I love it. Yes, it's okay. The texture is so succulent. And I like the color. The color is cute. You can see the color. For my daughter, yes, my teenage daughter. These are pants, denim pants. Yes. Then you just say you are putting your hand in my video and you're not coming here. I'm not going to kill you. You can see her. She wants her pants. Your hand is showing already because you don't want to show your face, right? She's already taking that one. Okay, she's so excited. I received this item yesterday, and since then she has been, when are you going to open it? When are you going to open it? I said, I am not going to open it. So, this one. This is baby stroller. I'll just keep it here because I'm going to show it at the end. You're going to understand why it's here. This is still Ramadan stuff. This is cosmetic bag for her, for my daughter. Yes. So it's just a mini cosmetic bag. This one with cartoon, so it's nice. It's nice. Some of it I'm going to put in the prices, okay? I'll be putting the prices up there. This is still cosmetic bag for my second she chose this, okay? I have here this eyeglass, reading glasses anyway, reading glass. So this is reading glasses. Let's put it on. It's cute, and it's something you can use and travel with it in your purse, in your bag, in your handbag, anyway. Again, I got this. This is my, yes, midwife. Midwife is I'm using the front camera now, but I'm sure you can spell it and say midwife. I mean midwife. Yes. This is the Ramadan stuff. Yeah, this one also is for something very important inside this bag, inside this Temu so I have this. This is for newborn headband. You can see. Oh, it looks so cute. There are 3 in numbers. 3 different colors. This purple, white, and pink. Okay. I have this. But when they show it in the Temu, this one looks very, very big, but it's okay. It's just kitchen. There's garlic matcha. I hope it works like as I saw it in the video. You just use to match garlic, okay? These are just a sticker for toilet, for this still part of my Ramadan stuff. During Ramadan, I'm going to be showing them fully. This Ramadan stuff is just this thing that children use to match in there. Let me see. I'll just show one. For my children. And we'll use it like this. Ooh. Oh my. Okay. Then I have here also baby shoe. This is going to be what I will show soon. Okay. This is for my workplace. I have here the items are 51 items, and the amount I'm going to be putting in there. This is showing that this is just ID badge for my profession. This is showing the baby in the uterus. You can see. Okay. What is here is let me hide it. I will hide it. It's going to come now. This is the sticker. Keep watching if you want to know what is in here. What is in here is so surprising. Okay? This is the Ramadan stuff. One of them asked for this. This is just children. I don't know what it's called. It's like balloon. And I have baby stockings. Baby stockings. So cute. Oh. Okay. This is baby stockings. This is part of that tengen thing I put in my hand. Oh, 51 items. Allow you. Then here I have this is just bamboo. What is this one? I think bamboo scent. This one is it has different aroma: lavender, sandalwood, rose, white. You just to put it and give the room or anywhere you want to keep it. It's about five different aroma. Yes. So this different this is 5 in number. 5 in number. Smells so good. Okay. Then the next one, almost finishing. I still have it. This is just a sticker, wall sticker, educational wall sticker for one of my children. This I'm going to be opening on Temu. They can package small things that you'll feel that there's nothing inside, but you'll find it. One of my children ordered this. This is Temu. I say Temu. Hello Kitty wristwatch for one of them. I have here for my, this is a t-shirt. I have t-shirt for one of my daughters. Okay. This actually for our demonstration later on, because this channel is it's an educational channel where I will be teaching the pregnant mothers and their husband in antenatal classes. We're going to be, a lot is coming on our way this year. Yeah, we use it to teach when you start brushing our babies. So this is like toothbrush for newborn, for toddlers, yeah. I have here, see that my ID card holder. This one says, today's goals, help people out. Yes, as a midwife, we always help people out. You see mother coming, baby, push. So this is our ID card holder. Here is a bracelet. It has a Hello Kitty. This Hello Kitty family. So here, so many items. So many. Here is our baby's ID that I'm going to be using later during the demonstration for our baby. This for identity. This. Okay, we have this from Temu. And we have this one also. This to pump balloon. So it's foot. You use it. It's foot. When you put to pump balloon instead of. If you can't do that, you can use this. So you just use feet will press on it. And your balloon is boom. Okay? You can get that. So, see my Ramadan stuff. So many of them. Ramadan is on the way. Then, some items that are so tiny. I don't need to show you. This is, see, we're going to talk about this also. Baby pacifier. We're going to be discussing about that, okay? In my videos. I'm going to be making so many videos. Here, this one is braces. Yes, this is the brace. This is a wristwatch also. My second daughter's wristwatch. Yeah. You see Hello Kitty. It looks so cute. I love it. Only that it will not be my size. Okay, I'll keep this here. Then the last, no, okay, no. Here is just ID card, an ID card holder, just for my big bag. Then this one, there are tiny things inside. I don't know what are these. It's just the decoration accessory for those Ramadan things I got. Okay. And finally. Finish. Finish. It's a finish. This one, see. What is this one? So tiny, but it looks nice. This is a brush. Just like this. A brush. Okay. Here is our baby carrier finish. So on the last note now, we are going to. So what is in here is really what I order most exciting item for me. Are you ready? Are you want me to open it? Are you ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay. Open now. Open now. What is this woman doing here? Open. I'm opening it now. You all should close your eyes. Close your eyes. I am not a man. I am now a new man. You see? Ordering from Temu a newborn You see our new baby. It looks so real. Let me bring the babies closer. We're going to be naming this baby soon. I don't know what they can see. I love this baby. This is exactly what I saw, what I ordered. I got it. You are sleeping now and I'm disturbing this baby. Oh. So it's going to be our baby for our antenatal classes. Okay? And the midwife, this year I have said, all the mamas, all the daddies, you are going to get it clearly, rightly, what to do during pregnancy, antenatal, during labor and birth, postnatal, and this baby is going to be helping us for some demonstration. Ooh. So now I'm going to be saying bye-bye. You have seen that we have unboxed our baby from Temu. Yalla, let's start our teaching, our classes. Let's start our classes. Bye-bye.